Hey, it's Stove and Doug Nicky with a magical bag here I wanted to show you. This is from Ikea, and we have used them so often that I thought it was time to A, get a new one, B, talk to you about them. Yeah, it seems kind of silly that I'm here talking to you about an Ikea bag, but I'm telling you, it's very easy to look at this. Look at how cheap and crappy this is, and people would think, oh, what a piece of junk that is. Let me tell you, these things are absolutely darn close to indestructible. Like really good. So we've used them a lot. We actually just moved here to Florida. We have an RV, and these things are actually perfect, and particularly for clothes. Like, look how big this thing is. Like, you can put a ton of stuff in there, and it's so light, so easy, so strong, right? Even Nikki packing, she can like dump everything she could think up in here, and you don't have to worry about it. You grab it with the handles, and it's gonna be just fine. I have to say, these things have been absolutely awesome. I hate that I have to come here and talk about an Ikea bag, but I feel like it brings value, so I'm telling you, you people who are out there looking at this thing, questioning this thing, don't do it. It is really worthwhile. In any case, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.